Hello once again and welcome again to my vlog. So as I promised that this channel will mainly focus on ESL tips, parenting, and that also includes homeschooling. So I am homeschooling my 4-year-old daughter, so I usually invest for some homeschooling materials for her not to get bored while learning with teacher Jenny. She calls me teacher Jenny because I want her to be trained not to have, over familiarity and for her to focus. So the first one is this. I'm not really sure how to say the name. It's Saalin or Saalin. It is a phonics book. So actually this is very good for beginners, especially for preschoolers, to know how to read. And for sure they will not get bored on this one because there's a lot in the box. Look at that. So parents like me can, teach our kids in a fun way. One thing I like about this item is that on this one, if you're trying to teach your kid how to read words, of course we need to start on the very beginning of the process, and on that kind of thing it would not be so hard for them to start on reading. So you'll first start with the alphabets, just like that, and there's more books after that. They will be able to know already. Next you can move on to the short vowels. So there's also activities or something to read inside, and that they will not get bored. We have letter consonants. That's very important, right? And also the consonant blends and diaphragms. We also have split vowel. And next would be this activity books. It is really good because you can, check whether your child, understood what you taught him or her, and you can check where to focus more, right? And the next one would be this magnet play box. This is also nice. When I saw it, I was like, okay, I'll buy this for her because my daughter likes manipulative activities. She's very interested with anything that involves her making something or using her hands, and that is why she loves puzzles as well. And I think that she also likes building houses. So there you go. But look, so sad. There's a problem in the box, but I will just let it pass. I will just put something there to fix it. And there you go. So we have different designs that she will be building. So I'm just taking off all the parts from that magnet's sheets. It's nice because on that board you can just stick that there. So these are the patterns that she will be copying. It's good, actually. It has different levels as well. For sure, she will love and enjoy this one. And the last one is this wooden geo pattern puzzle. This is nice because it will also challenge the critical thinking of our child. They will try to use their imaginative mind in following the patterns. And it is made of wood, so it's not easy for them to tear. So that's a good thing for moms, right? So here is what's inside the box. Okay, that's the wooden pieces, but first let's check the patterns that's included. So look, it's so nice. It seems to be so fun. So for sure, kids would love it. And these are the wooden parts. Look at that. You know what? I'm quite surprised. I thought it is not that kind of thing. I mean, it's not that big, but it's really nice because it is. So it will not be hard for the kids to make the patterns. There you go. And that's all for now. I will put the shop link down below so that you can check it also. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. God bless everyone.